This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Dolores Rodriguez. Lovely super spacious 3-bedroom unit converted to a 2-bedroom unit with den area. There is a huge covered and screened back patio, tons of space, split floor plan with updated bathrooms, spacious kitchen with granite countertops, breakfast area, full-size washer/dryer, covered parking. This unit has it all. 2 small pets are OK. Pelican Harbour is within walking distance to shopping and just a few minutes from Downtown Delray and the beaches. This gated waterfront community is a great place to live. For more information, review the details below.